G'day and welcome to the Guy Who Sews channel. My name is Sean and today we're going to take this wonderful array of fabric and turn it into a beautiful block. This is Clue 5 of the Village Green Puzzle Mystery Quilt by Cotton Cuts, and it takes about 45 minutes usually to put together, but I've sped it all up so it's only going to take about 4 to 5 minutes. So stay tuned and let's see how it all turns out. And Clue 5 is all done. That means we are halfway done with this Puzzle Mystery Quilt. I'm very excited to see how it all turns out, but let's see how Clue 5 turned out. And I think this one turned out beautifully. I love all the different colors. I love that pretty much every color is in this particular block. And I'm excited to see where this goes in the final design. If you've been enjoying this so far, let me know in the comments. I always love hearing from my viewers. And let me know if you're sewing along with me. I know some of you are, and it's always exciting to see which ones you guys are doing as well. So thank you for joining me. I hope you all have a great day. Happy sewing, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.